What's the meaning of attendee? Attendee. Attendee.
Attendee. Attendee. An attendee refers to a person who is present at a particular event or gathering. This term is commonly used to describe participants who are not directly involved in the planning or organization of the event. Attendees can be individuals or groups, and they typically attend events such as conferences, meetings, seminars, and workshops. As an attendee, one's role is generally to listen, learn, participate in discussions and provide feedback. Attendees may also have opportunities to network and build relationships with other participants.